In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done-for-you digital business in a box. And you get to keep 100% of the profits because this is not MLM, it's not affiliate marketing, which means you don't earn tiny commissions and you don't have to split your profits with anybody else. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine and I'm a former monk. And now I just help everyday men and women make seven figures online without having to work a job. So for this business, all you need is Wi-Fi. You just need your phone. You just need 2 hours a day. You don't need any tech skills. You don't need a following, and you don't need any experience because we show you how to do everything step by step. And then all you have to do is set up your business, which you can set up in like 2 days. You get your business set up, you plug into our community for training and support, and then you're following a 2 hour workday. You're doing simple things like posting 3 pieces of content a day to social media. It's attraction marketing. You're building your email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for you. So if you want to learn more, just go to my website. There's a link in the bio. There's a link in the description. It's sevenfiguremonk.com with the seven. You just go there and you can check out all the information. Just put your email in. I'll send you all the information and then you can check it out. If you see an opportunity, you can get started. If you have any questions, you can reply to my emails. Okay, so now let me share my screen and I'll show you exactly what this business looks like. And if you have any questions at any time, just drop it in the comments. All right. So let me share my screen. Here's our community, and here's what the business looks like. Okay, so we're gonna give you a free funnel, like a done-for-you digital system, like a funnel system, an automated sales process. This is how you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. Okay, so here's what the sales funnel looks like. This is a capture page. Okay, so we're gonna give you a template that you can edit. Like you can put your own picture in. You can have a faceless picture, but we're going to give you a pre-done, ready to go template. You can use the template we give you, or you can edit it if you want to. Okay, so this is a capture page, right? So every time someone goes to my website, they're going to go here and they're going to put their email in. So I'm building my email list. And then after they put their email in, they go here and they watch a video. Okay, they're going to watch this video and they're going to see the wins, the testimonials from our community. Right, so the video is doing the selling for you, and the testimonials are also doing the selling for you. And then we send out another video inside of people's emails. So they're going to get another video inside of their emails. So these two videos are going to answer like 99% of people's questions. And if somebody has a question, all they have to do after they watch the videos, all they have to do is email you. And you see how you have a button here. So when they click on this button, it takes them directly to your website. Okay, which looks like this. So all these pages are out there working for you 24/7. This is how you make money in your sleep. And you just have to set these pages up once. Like I said, you can set it up in like 2 days. It took me a few hours to set it up. Okay. And I don't have any tech skills. So this is the website, right? Unlock 10 streams of income today, 10 income streams today, and earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. So it's a business, right? Businesses sell products, opportunities, or services, right? So what do we sell? We sell digital programs, digital products in the e-learning industry. So these programs, you can learn from these programs. They teach you how to build an online business. They teach you digital marketing, and they teach you how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, so there's 10. There's five in English and there's five in Spanish. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again. So somebody will start here and they'll end up here, and then the goal is to have them end up here where they go and they purchase one of the programs. Okay, and every time they purchase a program, you get paid directly to you through your payment processor like PayPal, Stripe, Square. You just attach it to your website and we show you how to do that. Okay, so how would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? That's 42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. Okay, that's life-changing income, right? We have over 56,000 people in our community. We've done $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. And this is what sets us apart from these other side hustles out there. The fact that we earn 100% profit, most businesses don't. Most businesses on average only earn like 10 to 30% profit per sale. Okay. And then you become a licensed reseller of the program because we have a certification training. And our program's in English and it's in Spanish, right? Like if you click on this button, it'll take you to the Spanish page. Okay. That's what happens. And then you go back to the English page. Okay. And then we teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT and other tools to build your business as well. And there's testimonies on the page. Here's your bio section. So you just have to put your picture in. You put your bio in. Okay. Like I have all these pictures that I put on. These are my pictures I just put on the website because you want to build your brand. So you put pictures of you, or if you want to do faceless, you don't have to show your face. You can put faceless pictures up there as well. Okay. This is perfect for anyone who wants to make extra income. Their 9 to 5 job doesn't really provide financial security. They want to work from anywhere. They're sick of trading time for money because that's what a job is. A job means you're selling your time for money. That's a job. So there's basically two ways to make money. You can have a job and you can sell your time for money, and you can be overworked and underpaid like most people, or you can be an entrepreneur and you can learn how to have your own business like this, a business that's out there working for you 24/7. See, I started this business because my company cut my pay in half. And I decided I didn't want to depend on anybody else for my income. I didn't want to get another job because I've just had bad experiences with jobs. So why would I want to keep torturing myself? Like I don't like I wanted to figure out how to make my own money. I wanted to figure out how to be an entrepreneur. Okay. So, yeah, this is basically what the website looks like. And people can go here and they purchase one of the programs, 1400, 900, 600, 300, or 100. Okay. And then every time they purchase, you get 100% profit. Now, like if you want to join this program, if you want to join this business, you just have to purchase one of the programs, just like I did. I invested $1,400 into this program. And when you go with the $1,400 program, you get 10 income streams. So you can earn the 1400, 900, 600, 300, or 100. But let's say you start at the 100 level. If you start at the 100 level, you can only earn at that level, right? But you can always upgrade later. And there's also payment plans to get started for you or your customers. So with payment plans, it makes it super affordable for anybody, really. And it's a global business, so you can get customers from any part of the world. And it pays out in American dollars. So we have people from South Africa. We've created millionaires in South Africa because they're getting paid in American dollars. So this business is changing people's lives all over the world. Okay. And then you get these bonuses, right? You get access to our community. You get thousands of bonuses, thousands of dollars of bonuses, like free access to our community where there's daily millionaire mentoring. You get to learn how to create your own communities. You get a Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months blueprint, 30-day market strategy, PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire if you want to learn how to do faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas if you want to learn how to create your own offers and market them. Okay. So let's just imagine that you started this business and you purchase the program, you pay your website fee, and then you're going to have access to your program and everything is here, right? Here's the access to your program. This shows you how to set up your website. You have your certification training and you have your bonuses. Like the program itself, like I told you, it teaches you how to build an online business, how to make 6 and 7 figures, how to build multiple streams of income, digital marketing, right? So you go here, you start here, and you just start watching all the videos, take notes, absorb the information, because the more you learn, the more you earn, right? Like for example, phase one is foundation, CEO, mindset, and clarity. Okay. So this is going to show you like your desired income, your lifestyle, like your vision, how to develop a winning mindset, your brand, what do you want to be known for? Like I'm the 7-figure monk because I used to be a monk and now I help people make 7 figures online. Okay. Your income earning activities, your 7-step framework for success. This is the kind of stuff you're going to learn. Okay. So you're going to have immediate access. As soon as you purchase your program and pay your website fee, you're going to have immediate access to everything. Okay. And one of the first things you need to do is set up your website, right? You need to set these pages up. If you want to receive your payments, if you want to launch your business and start making money, you need to set up the pages. Okay. So we show you how to set these pages up, right? We show you how to set it up. So basically, it shows you what accounts you need to open. Like you need to open a GoDaddy account, a system account, Square, PayPal if you don't have one already. Okay, it shows you how to get you need to go to GoDaddy. You got to get a domain and a professional email address, which is super cheap, and you can get it at GoDaddy. It shows you how to do that. Okay, right? And then you got to attach your payment gateways, like how to open up a Square account or a PayPal account or a Stripe account. We show you how to do that. And yeah, then you just got to set up all the pages, right? It's going to show you how to set these pages up, how to connect your system. And then once you're finished, you're going to have a system that looks something like this, right? So that's that. If you have any questions at all, just drop it in the comments. Otherwise, go to the link in my bio, 7figuremonk.com, and you can get started if you see an opportunity. Okay, so now let me show you inside of our community. So this community is really great because this is where you get all the training, you get the mentoring, you get the community support. Okay, it's a huge community, it's a positive community, it's a safe community. So it's like building a business without a community doesn't make any sense. It's like crazy. Like to try to build a business on your own just doesn't make any sense. So there's 57,000 plus people in our community. Okay, so once you get started, you just go here, you introduce yourself, you can ask questions, you can post wins. Okay, so let me show you the wins. Like I'll just show you proof that people are having success, they're learning, they're earning. Like she made $300 and $100, so she made $400. Boom. Okay. So Ruan, he just had 1,000 followers on TikTok because we teach you how to market on social media. So we had $1,000, 1,000, followers on TikTok. Okay, 30K. Can I tell you how many times I almost quit? Okay, she's made 30K so far. on her journey, even though she was like having mindset issues, like thinking about quitting. Don't quit. Never quit because quitters never win and winners never quit. So never quit. So I'm just showing you there's all kinds of different wins. Sometimes it's financial wins, sometimes it's mindset wins or whatever. She had $100 sale while she's working her job. You see, you can build this around your job, right? 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. All you got to do is post content, build your email list. That's how we build our business. That's how we make money like this. Okay. First $900 sale for Wesley. Okay. I'm thrilled. I'm blessed. I'm extremely grateful. And you can see everyone's like, way to go. Everyone's commenting, like, congratulations. That's the kind of community you're part of. It's a very positive community, right? Like you have to be positive to be in our community. Okay. So that's just some proof. That's just one page of wins. We have like 30,000 pages of wins. Okay. So inside of our classroom, go here, getting started. This is going to show you more about like what you're doing, how everything works. We have these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You get daily millionaire mentoring. So the millionaire comes in, she drops a training that's like 2 to 7 minutes every day to help you with your create content and help you with your mindset. Okay. And then inside of the classroom, we also have more bonus trainings like the mentoring Zoom replays because we have live mentoring. If you missed the live call, you can watch the replay. We have mindset training. We have social media training. We have a content vault, find video hooks and content creation to create the content, to create content that converts. 6 figures in 6 months training, learn how to make 6 figures in 6 months. So all this bonus trainings inside of the community as well. And if you go to the calendar, this shows you when we have the next live events, right? We have a millionaire mentoring call every Monday, automate visibility instantly. Okay. We have training like this. We have tech support calls if you need help setting up your website or something. We have Thursday mindset mentoring call. Okay. So this is going to show you what's going on. The calendar will show you the live events, right? So I basically showed you everything. If you have any questions, drop into the comments. If you want to get started, the link's in my bio. Go there, sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, just a little disclaimer. Of course, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort, so don't be typical. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to like take action. Like you have to put in effort. Like everything depends on your effort in life, right? This included. Okay, so like I said, all you got to do is get started, set up your business one time, and then you plug into our community, and then you're following the 2-hour workday. We teach you to post 3 pieces of content a day. You can also go live or you can copy and paste free ads. So basically, I just focus on creating content and going live. Okay. So let me just show you my YouTube channel, for example. Let me show you my YouTube channel. All right. So let me go here. Oh, my channel is right here. Okay. So now I post like content for this business, and I also do marketing tips and mindset tips because it's good to do, not just like you don't always want to post your business, in my opinion. Like you want to mix it up. Like you can do 2 business posts and 1 value post. A value post can be just like you're giving somebody some tips, like mindset tips, marketing tips, and you don't have to know anything. You just go to ChatGPT or go online and search something, read an article that gives you tips, and then just share what you learned. It's called ILT. You invest, you learn, and you teach. So it's really easy to give value. You can search up mindset tips and then just create a little video about mindset or something like that. Right. So I do mindset, like I give mindset tips, I give marketing tips, and I promote my business. Okay. So these videos here, these are long form videos, right? These are videos that are over 10 minutes. Like the video you're watching right now, it's like a long form video. So I create all these long form videos and then I do these short form videos where I'm just talking for like, 30 seconds to a minute. I do the short form videos. And like I usually try to do like 2 are business and then 1 is value. Okay. 2 business, 1 value. That's basically what I do. And then you can do like 7-second videos where you're just like 7-second clips. You just grab your phone, you grab your phone, you press record, you start creating these little 7-second clips. Like sometimes I'm walking around. I like to create little videos. I'm just walking around and I put words on the screen. Okay. So that's it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I go live. Like I usually go live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. So my lives are recorded. And then I do like posts like too. I do like posts like this. These are just like, value posts. Value. Sometimes it's business, sometimes it's value. And I post things like this on YouTube as well. So that's pretty much how I create content. And we teach you how to create content. You can also join my community for free and you can learn how to create content. Like you can work with me for free also in my community because I have my own free community as well. So if you see any value here, if you want to get started, just go to the link in my bio, sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay, go there, check it out, check all the information out. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. Okay, so make sure you like this video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day and God bless.